Old roof gone, new roof on the way. We're out here in Davis, California, working on taking this old wood shake roof off and replacing it with a new modern sleek one that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned. Wood shake roofs were once very popular, but over time they can become weathered, brittle, and vulnerable to leaks and fire hazards. On this home, the roof had reached the end of its life, and it was important to provide a safer, longer lasting solution for the homeowner. One of the most important parts of this project is the preparation. Under the old roofing system is skip sheathing. Skip sheathing is basically boards with gaps in between, which was common back when shake roofs were popular. Before we can install the new CertainTeed Presidential Shingles, we first need to create a solid, continuous surface. That's why we're laying down plywood right over the old skip sheathing. This step is critical. It not only strengthens the roof deck, but it also provides the proper base to protect the home and support the new shingles. When installing plywood over the old wood shake roof, we're protecting the structure of the home and ensuring that the new roofing system is working the way it was designed. Without this crucial step, shingles would not have the support that they need, and it could lead to leaks and/or premature wear on your home. Our team over at Solarado Roofing Solar takes the time to prep properly so that we can guarantee a roof that's not only beautiful, but durable and long-lasting. We're replacing the old shake roof with CertainTeed Presidential Shingles. This is one of the top quality shingle systems on the market. These shingles are designed to mimic the look of classic wood shakes, but with all the modern benefits of asphalt technology. They're durable, impact resistant, and built to withstand the elements for decades. The presidential shingles offer excellent protection, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. They not only enhance the beauty of the home, but they also provide a peace of mind with one of the strongest warranties in the industry. And since we specialize in roofing and solar, this type of shingle system also sets the stage for future solar installation if the homeowner chooses to add panels down the line. Our team custom built and re-roofed the stunning pergola overhang, designed specifically to meet our customers' needs and aesthetic goals. We added a sleek skylight feature to invite even more sunlight into the space, transforming the backyard into a warm, inviting retreat that feels both bright and protected. At Solarado Roofing Solar, our crew takes pride in every detail. We follow the best practices every step of the way. Quality craftsmanship is what ensures that this new roof will last for years to come. If your roof is showing signs of age, or you're thinking about upgrading to a premium shingle system, give us a call or check us out online. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more of our projects.